And good morning.
Morning, guys.
So we're gonna make some pumpkin pancakes with a little blueberry syrup and some whipped cream. Let's get started. Oh, and some zombie fingers, which is just sausage, nothing special. So we're gonna start the sausage in our little cast iron skillet. I have a knife over here. And it's just a standard sausage link. They look like big old fingers. Again, it's a holiday. We gotta play it up. So, our syrup, it's real simple. We're just gonna take some good maple syrup, pour in, I don't know, about a quarter cup or so.
Doesn't have to be too exact.
Yeah, it's just making syrup. And if they have fresh blueberries, you can add those into it as well. But we got a really good wild blueberry jam that we're just gonna add, I'd say about a quarter cup as well.
So it's about a 1-to-1.
We're just gonna let that heat up and then we'll give it a taste. Let it heat up so that jelly gets all melted into it. And that's how easy our syrup is.
Yeah, just want to warm it up so it can be like a cohesive syrup.
Yeah.
Rather than a chunky maple syrup.
Yes, and if you had fresh blueberries, you could throw it in and let them kind of cook in there. Or if not, because this jam has some little berry chunks in it, so it's going to be very good.
I like that.
All right, those sausage links are just chilling over there. Looks like our syrup. See how fast that was? It's already done. I'm going to give it a little. Ooh, that's going to be good on those pumpkin pancakes for sure. All right. You like our spider bowl? I do. So for our pancakes, we're simply taking our own OTK pancake mix, where you just add water, and then we're going to add a little pumpkin butter to it. And you can get the recipe at outdoortestkitchen.org for the pancake mix. All right. All right, we're gonna take our pancake mix and put in about a cup if it wants to act right. But of course I have it pretty jam-packed in here. Watch, it's gonna poof. So we got a cup of that, and we're gonna take about a half cup of water because we're gonna be adding in the pumpkin butter. Ooh, give it a little stir. Oh, we're just gonna dump in about a quarter cup. It's pancakes, it's not really an exact science. I guess you can ask some bakers and they would say it is, but you're just gonna add till it makes a nice little batter. So we need a little more water, so we'll put that extra quarter cup in there. Give it a nice little stir. Ooh, I can smell that. Since I had that pumpkin butter, I need just a little more water, so we may just do a cup to cup till it comes together a nice runny batter, but not too runny. All right, now we're gonna get our griddle warming up. Syrup is done. So all right, we're gonna clean up real quick, get our griddle going, and we're starting making pancakes.
We'll be back.
All right, guys, well, I almost forgot one thing. We're gonna add about a quarter teaspoon of just a pumpkin spice mix. And right before we put it on, give it one more little stir. Then I got the griddle warming up, got a little butter on it. So I think we're about ready to make some pancakes. All right, take our spatter bowl, a nice little ladle, make a pancake. This is of course a tester to make sure everything is hot and working. But it seems like it is, so we're just gonna let this cook until they get little bubbles, flip it, then put it on our boo plate and keep making pancakes. Check our little zombie fingers. And if you want to be really festive, you could get a little orange food coloring and add it into it. But you know, I didn't want to go over the top, obviously.
Yeah. You know, you could do little dots of orange with toothpicks and swirl them in. Yeah, we put little dots of orange and maybe a dot of black.
You could do make little ghosts. You could, and you can do, if you're a pancake artist, you could have a great time. All right, and then we're just gonna be cooking up some pancakes, and then next we're gonna make some whipped cream.
What? Whipped cream, quick, fast, easy whipped cream.
I don't know about that, we're testing it. I can do it pretty quick with a whisk, but we're doing it a different way.
We'll see, yeah.
All right, guys, our pancakes are almost done, so we're gonna make some whipped cream. Now what we're gonna do is take a mason jar, put a cup of cream in it, about a teaspoon of vanilla, and a tablespoon of powdered sugar, and then just shake until it comes whipped cream. And hey, It's the morning, this is my morning workout. So yeah, I can eat more pancakes now. So let's get the cream. I'll tell you the beauty about mason jars is they have little measuring marks. So you just fill it. That's 6 ounces. There's 1 cup.
Awesome. That's convenient.
Yes, it is. I'll put the cream aside. 2 spoons of vanilla. I know I'm eyeballing. It's morning. Do I really want to find my measuring spoons?
Yeah, it's morning and it's breakfast. I mean, come on.
About a tablespoon powdered sugar, not granulated. There we go. That's about a tablespoonish.
Close. Close enough.
Then throw on your old lid. Make sure it's on good. There we go. It'll take about 5 minutes. So I'm gonna do my morning workout. And I'm tired. It's your turn. Yeah, I'd rather do it with a whisk. I'm starting to feel it burn. Because if this doesn't work and it's a complete failure, then we're just going to say, hey, our pancakes are done.
I would try like a...
You want to turn?
I can feel it getting thicker. Thanks for the cream.
I don't want them to know you helped.
I cut out that whole part of me doing it. Oh no, I cut all of you out.
It is. All right. Whew. Morning workout done. Time to enjoy pancakes with whipped cream. It wasn't that hard.
Oh, look at that, dude.
Yeah.
Wow.
In a mason jar. Wow.
My turn.
All I could say, maybe a little more sugar.
Yeah.
Other than that, that's pretty darn tootin' good. All right.
I'll probably double that sugar.
Yeah, so next, if you try it, do 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. So, we got our pancakes.
Our syrup.
Now we take our blueberry syrup, pour it on top. Oh. And then take some of our fresh campsite whipped cream, and wow, I'll say that is easy. There you go, guys.
It actually makes really dense whipped cream.
With our zombie fingers. Hope you guys give this a try. Although it's our day, we got to pack up, so we're gonna eat our brunch and then pack up, and we'll see y'all back at headquarters. Oh, they might want to see us eat this. I tell you what, a little whipped cream, a little blueberry. Those are intensely good.
Wow, that's hard to describe.
It's the blueberry maple with that pumpkin. It just works. It's fall. It's a fall brunch.
It is. Man, only one thing.
Yeah, we're not. Oh man.
After tasting it, we realized, oh, nutmeg.
But luckily, we keep some on hand. A little dash of nutmeg to finish it off. Now we're in heaven.
That takes it to the next level, doesn't it?
Almost said a dirty word. I'm not a big pancake person, but these are good.
Holy cow. Nutmeg, take it from wherever it was to as high as it could be.
And that blueberry, we can't leave today. I need a nap. No packing.
Yeah.
I'm full.
Yo, we'll just rent this site for another day.
Zombie fingers are pretty good too.
What brand are these?
Yellowstone bacon breakfast.
These guys are pretty good.
Actually, really are. Oh, and they were fully cooked. We just had to warm them up. Just, pays to read the label sometimes.
I know we were almost kind of poo-pooing this whipped cream.
I think that's a great option, actually. Don't have to keep a cool ball. Okay, I'm sold on it. Sold. Keep camping and keep cooking.
Yeah.